Good day. So andito tayo ngayon sa Tivoli Residences in Mandaluyong City to check a new foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclose Hub. So let's go and check this out. So this is the unit. 64.5 square meters po siya. So ito po yung kitchen niya pagpasok nyo. Then meron siyang laundry area dito kasi may abang na gripo. Then ito yung pinaka living area and dining area niya. Hindi natin mabuksan yung CR. Ayan. And then meron siyang maliit na parang sampayan yata dito, tong areang to. Maliit na balcony. Ayan. Facing Pasig River and Makati skyline. Tapos ito yung isang kwarto niya. Ayan. Ito bed frame to. Tinagilid lang. Ayan ang view niya. Makati skyline ang view niya. Then may maliit siyang parang study area yata. May lampshade. This is 64.5 square meters. Around 7.3 million regular price. And yung discounted price po is at 6.6 million for approval. So ito yung pinaka-masters niya. May built-in cabinets na rin po siya. And then meron siyang access sa balcony. Okay. So medyo malaki po yung balcony niya. Ang view niya is, ayan, Pasig River and Makati skyline. Ayan. May konting view ng BGC. Pero more on Makati skyline po siya. And Pasig River. Medyo maluwag po. Malaki yung balcony niya. Okay. Ang medyo mahirap lang dito sa kwarto na to. Ito. Ayan. Hindi siya ma-open ng gusto. May stopper siya dun, oh. Kasi nga tatamaan yung cabinet. So kailangan yata dito, nako. Mahirap akong lumabas. So this is as is where is. And offers first come first serve basis. Pero pag masyadong maraming nag-offer dito, may discretion po ang management na magpa-bidding. Okay? This unit comes with a parking space. May kasama po siyang parking sa second floor ng building na to. Okay? By the way, this is in the 19th floor of Hibiscus Tower. Okay? And malapit lang po to sa Makati Mandaluyong Bridge. More or less mga 300 meters away. And malapit lang din po siya sa Rockwell and sa Poblacion area. So this is available in cash or at least 20% spot down payment. And then 80% balance through bank financing exclusive of taxes and fees. So again, if you are interested to make an offer and would like to schedule a viewing appointment, please message us directly.